Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to log in into your first Abu Dhabi bank online banking account so that you can manage your finances quickly and securely from anywhere. So first of all, you need to start by opening your web browser. You can open it on your mobile device or on your PC. So you need to search for bankfab.com, which is the official website of the first Abu Dhabi bank. Now, once you are here on the top right hand corner, you will see this login button. When you click on it, it is going to show you a bunch of different options in front of you. So these are basically the accounts that it provides. So whichever account you have with the FAB bank, you just have to simply select that. For example, let's say I'm assuming that you have a personal online banking account with them. So simply select the first tab. Now it is going to show you this login option. Over here, simply provide your login credentials. That includes providing your username and your password. Then click on the option of login. So this way you will be able to get access to your first Abu Dhabi bank online banking account dashboard. So with the help of that dashboard, you can check your balance, you can transfer the money, manage your cards and pay the bills. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.